Guess what, guys? It's the end.
Yahoo! Let's go!
I'm Splat. I have a surprise for you.
Sure. I can with the present.
Of course, here it is.
It's the present.
Why does this say?
It says, "Dear Letters, congratulations, you made it to the end of the movie of the series. And as a reward, I can Into the Sea You Make Mega Super Colossal Massive Explosion. By Dave Madsen or Barry Warner Viacom logo bloopers 2. Love, Splat." Wow. That's the very best present.
Well, looks like we have another movie to do. Cue the credits and ideas.